So, Dental Expert mouth guards. A lot of people use these for sleeping because they grind their teeth. But what we use them for is, my son has Tourettes syndrome. And with Tourettes syndrome, your body does uncontrollable things. So, if you're grinding your teeth on a normal, everyday basis, if you have Tourette's, your Tourette's may amp that up, especially if it hurts. Once it hurts, Tourette's zones in on it and is like, I'm going to keep doing that because it hurts, so I'm going to keep doing that. So, this one has six mouth guards and a little holder. I'll show you one if I can open it. I may not show you this one. Here it goes. So, for years, they didn't have these. This is a football player's mouth guard. So, and the football player kind that you buy for playing football, it does not conform to your mouth. Like, that is a hard plastic. It isn't going to do anything. With these, what you do, hold on, to get one of these bad boys out. What you do with these is, you boil some water, pour some boiling water in a mug, take this boy, or girl, whatever you want to call it, plop it in the water. I'd say like 30 seconds, it's in the hot water. Take it out, let it cool down for a few seconds so it doesn't burn your mouth. With these, then you put it in your mouth and you bite down. So now that is going to conform to your teeth and make it so it's actually comfortable for you. If you need it on top or bottom, top stays better, bottom flops around, so it's best to put it up top. Or after that, then just pop it in some cold water and that'll fix it. If for some reason it becomes uncomfortable, you can actually do that again. Put it back in hot water and put it in, bite down to where you're comfortable, and to realign that to your very own mouth. For us with Tourette's, my son, I could actually hear his teeth cracking. So frantic, I was trying to figure out what could I do, and that's why I thought, well, football, they protect their teeth. I went to Kmart or something, and so now my son is 16. I think when the Tic started back then, he might have been only 7. And back then, these were not in the store 10 years ago. This was a specialty item. So this was not something that I could find when my son was 6 or 7. So that's why I had a boatload of football mouth guards for my son. But like I was saying before, if you see in here, you see that this is not going to conform to your teeth. This is a hard plastic. It's just to protect your mouth from being hit. If, let's say, you got hit in the face kind of thing, or you fell, it would protect your teeth. Putting this in hot water would not mold it like these here. This one has a little extra cushion in here, and it molds to your mouth. Let me see if that's what this kind is. Before I even say that, you know what? I'm going to just double check to make sure. Oh, yeah, this says the same thing about putting in the hot water for 30 seconds. I wanted to make sure that I wasn't just assuming that this was that kind. Because, you know, there's all different stuff out there. But, so, for us, we use it for Tourette's, for this tic that bites them teeth together. And you have no control. Tourette's is like another person in your body. No, it's not schizophrenia, but in my opinion, it's like another person living in your body that wants to hurt you or make you miserable. So having something like this is a lifesaver for the mom and for the child, or just the person that this is happening to. If you are grinding your teeth, it hurts. Not only that, it seems like with Tourette's, if you mess it up, so your Tourette's likes grinding your teeth and hurting you. Now you put this in here, it doesn't hurt anymore, so it's like Tourette's isn't happy that it can't hurt you. So usually when Tourette's isn't hurting you, it cools down because it no longer has that feeling that it was getting. Tourette's is a very, very weird disease that tends to zone in. Let's say, one time my son fell when he was young and he caught his cornea on the corner of a desk in school. Then, what happened? He got a Tourette's tic that he kept looking over. It hurt the eye so much because that's what Tourette's does. You have an injury, it goes there and it makes a tic for that injury, just to make you a little bit more miserable. So, anyway, the Dental Expert MouthGuards. There's 6 in a box. I will put their information below. You can push the more info button, and I'll put the URL for this. I think it's an Amazon link. So I'll put that there. If they have a storefront, I'll put their storefront URL as well. They have a special from this company. I don't know if it's still running, but go and check it out and see. I'm not going to say what the special is because I don't know if they still have it. But they did have a really awesome special. So go check it out, and the information will be below. Please subscribe to my channel. Push that little red button there that says subscribe. It makes me happy. And if you found this video helpful, give me a little thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Again, this is the Dental Expert MouthGuards, and there's 6 in a box.